Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to fix live subscription not available on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app on your mobile device. The next is to click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, all you have to do is to click on the three lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll gently, click on report a problem. So right here, you just have to scroll gently, click on subscription, click on build a community as a creator, click on who are eligible to become subscription creators. So right here, you can see the list of what it requires you to become eligible to become a subscription creator. But if after having all this and you still have problem with it, all you have to do is to click on the no option, click on need more help. So you just have to type this: my live subscription is not available, please, how can I resolve it? And TikTok support AI will give you a reply within few minutes. It says, hi, if your live subscription is not available, please ensure the following: you have linked a valid payment method with your Google Play or Apple App Store account. You are not using a VPN for your network. Your TikTok app is updated to the latest version. You have a stable network. Sorry for any inconvenience. So if you don't have any of this, you just try to make sure you resolve it. If you're using VPN, try to disconnect it. And if your TikTok app is not updated, you just have to update it. So with this, we have come to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.